You haven't launched your first digital product because you are agonizing over the price. In this video, I made it for you. One of the biggest questions that beginners come to me with when creating a digital product is this: how do I price it? And this is where I see a lot of people get stuck because they think there is a perfect price that they need to find. But the truth is, there isn't. Hi, I'm Naaman Shika. I've built multiple digital products and generated over $500,000 online and helped hundreds of others get started. And one thing I've seen over and over and over again is this: the people who succeed the fastest don't start with the perfect price. They start with a price that gets them their first sale. Because the truth is, your first product is not about maximizing profits. Your first digital product is not the one that's going to buy you a Lamborghini and make you rich forever. That's not what that first product is about. This is about getting your first sale, getting proof, understanding what works. Once you have that, everything becomes easier. So instead of asking what's the perfect price that you should charge, ask yourself, what is the easiest way for somebody with the problem my digital product is solving to say yes? Because when you are starting, you don't have a big audience. You might not have strong authority in that niche yet. So you need to reduce friction. That's why starting with a low ticket product works so well for beginners. It's something like $7, $17, $27, because it feels like an easy decision for your buyer. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They price based on what they think it's worth, or even worse, what they feel they themselves are worth, instead of thinking what the buyer will be willing to pay. And those two are very different things. Because value is not about how much you know as the person creating the product, it's about how clearly your product solves a problem. A simple product that solves one clear problem can sell easily for $27 or $47. But a complicated product that tries to do everything can struggle even at $7. Now, once you start selling and you understand what people actually want, then you can increase your price. Then you can bundle, improve it, add more value, and charge more for it. But in the beginning, your goal is simply this: get your fair sale. Because once you have proof, then everything else changes. Your confidence will increase, selling will start to feel natural, and pricing will become easier. Your first price is not a decision, it's a test for the marketplace. Remember, low friction creates momentum and drives sales, and your sales will give you clarity, not the other way around. You don't need to find the perfect price before you start. You need to start and put your product in the marketplace so you can learn. So, create your product, price it, and put it out there. Because remember, you are not pricing for perfection. You are pricing for action, for your buyers to take action. Now, if you are stuck on what product should you even create in the first place, that's exactly why I created my free AI niche finder. It helps you turn what you already know into a digital product you can actually sell. You'll find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. If this has helped you, leave a comment and let me know, what product are you thinking of creating and what price you are thinking of starting with. And if you know somebody who is stuck trying to create their first digital product, share this video with them. And make sure you subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually sell your digital product with a very simple funnel. I'll see you in the next one.